everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to cook Kabocha Squash in 4 different ways. The first one is Kabocha no nimono, Kabocha Squash simmered in soy sauce. The second one is shio butter kabocha, salty butter kabocha squash. The third one is garlic butter yaki, kabocha squash sauteed with garlic and butter. And the last one is kabocha no tempura, kabocha squash tempura. These are all very easy to make. I hope you like them all. Okay, let's get started. 4 different dishes, so let's cut it into 4. Bottom side facing up. This is the top side, and this is the bottom side. Using spoon, let's remove the seeds. Cut the bottom and the stem off. The first one is Kabocha no nimono, Kabocha squash simmered in soy sauce. Let's just cut it into chunks. Try to standardize the size. Let's put them in food container. Half teaspoon of hondashi, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 3 tablespoons of water. Put the lid on. You don't need to seal it tight. You just put it on like this and microwave. 5 minutes at 600 watts. Give it a mix. Put the lid back on and microwave 3 to 5 minutes at 600 watts until it's nice and soft. I did 3 minutes and the toothpick can easily go through, that means it's cooked. There is some broth at the bottom of the food container. So let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes so the kabocha squash soaks up the broth and it's done. The second one is shio butter kabocha, salty butter kabocha squash. Let's cut it into chunks. Put them in food container. Sprinkle some salt, about half teaspoon. Two tablespoons of water. Put the lid on and microwave 5 minutes at 600 watts. Give it a mix. Put the lid back on and microwave 3 to 5 minutes at 600 watts. I did 3 minutes and toothpick can easily go through. The water should be all gone by now, but if you still see some water left at the bottom, just drain it. 1 or 2 tablespoons of butter. Mix it well. Let it sit for 10 minutes and salty butter kabocha squash is done. The third one is garlic butter yaki, kabocha squash sauteed with garlic and butter. Cut it into half and let's make slices like this. Put them in food container. Two tablespoons of water. Put the lid on and microwave 7 minutes at 600 watts. Toothpick can easily go through. 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, some garlic paste, or you can of course use fresh garlic. about a tablespoon. Some salt and pepper, about a teaspoon. Turn the heat on and melt the butter. The heat is medium-high. Put kabocha, and just sear them on both sides until it's golden brown. Nicely browned on both sides. Kill the heat and let's sprinkle some dried parsley if you like. And garlic butter kabocha is done. And the last one is kabocha no tempura, kabocha squash tempura. Cut it into half. Make slices. And let's make tempura batter. Half cup of flour, about a tablespoon of potato starch or cornstarch, half cup of cold water, and mix. Make sure not to overmix it. Overmixing will bring out the gluten in the flour and it will make the tempura batter really sticky. This is good. It's still lumpy, but this is good. Heat up some vegetable oil in the frying pan over medium to medium-high heat. Let's check the temperature. Put down chopstick into the oil. And if you see small bubbles coming up from the chopstick, that means the oil is ready. Kabocha into the batter. Then into the oil. 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Looks good. So let's take them out. And Kabocha tempura is done. You can of course have it with tempura dipping sauce, but I like to have it simply with salt. So I have Kabocha no nimono here, 塩バターかぼちゃ, garlic butter yaki, and tempura. Tempura is definitely best today right after you cooked, but the other 3 dishes are great for make ahead. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!